Koham remote control lawn mower makes gardening maintenance easy. Whether it is a narrow edge of the ground or a complex ditch, it can cross it flexibly and with ease. The unique bottom mowing disc design supports 3 to 12 centimeters up and down adjustment, so the mowing height can be adjusted as desired to meet diverse needs. Equipped with a powerful engine and plenty of horsepower, it can quickly crush even tall and thick weeds without leaving any traces. Whether it is a rugged mountain road or a hard ground covered with stones, the Koham mower can handle it easily, truly achieving unlimited adaptability to grass types and terrain conditions.